Hello and welcome to the Sofa Rehab YouTube channel. On this channel we talk about products that are available for sale at sofarehab.com.au. During our videos we talk about product specifications, technical information and whether a product that you're looking to purchase is suitable for your application. So during this video we're going to be talking about the ZB Power rechargeable lithium-ion battery suitable for electric recliners with the model number BS-8C-02. Okay, so when you receive the battery in the post, you're going to receive three items. The first item you're going to find is the battery information sheet. So it offers on here information about safety and storage, technical information, setup and recharging. So it's worth reading this pamphlet to understand the product that you've purchased. You're also going to receive the recharging stand model number BS-SD. So every battery purchased receives a charging stand. Not only is this a charging stand, it also is the mounting plate to secure the battery off the floor under the recliner if that's what you wish to do. That would be done through the two mounting screw holes here, which we will talk about later. Next, you're going to receive the ZB Power rechargeable lithium-ion battery with model number BS-8C-02. So this is the actual battery. Once you receive the items, you need to set up the battery to the charging stand for charging. So you'll see on the charging stand two grooves, two matching grooves on the bottom of the battery. You slide the battery onto the charging stand and click into place like so. So now the battery and charging stand are ready for connection to the recliner or recharging. To remove the battery from the charging stand, there is a release button here. Press the button, slide the battery off. This is particularly important to note if you're looking to locate the battery off the floor under the recliner, because you need to remove the battery for charging at that point. So for most people, they will have the battery like this sat on the floor behind the back of the recliner, connecting via the two connections here. So let's get into the technical specifications of the ZB Power model number BS-8C-02. The capacity of this battery is 6,000 milliamp hour battery storage. This is the largest battery that we currently stock. The stored energy of this battery is 151.2 watt hours. The nominal voltage is 25.2 volts. The nominal discharge is 3 amps. The maximum momentary discharge is 10 amps. The charging of this battery is done by two ways, either the USB-C port at the front or via the AC/DC 2-pin connections at the back of the battery here, which is most people will be doing. So if you're connecting your recliner recharger via the 2-pin male plug here, your AC/DC transformer at home needs to have an output of 29 volts through to 31 volts. So that is a standard standard recliner AC/DC transformer. So your adapter likely already has that output, but please check that. If you don't have the correct charger at home, you can purchase the suitable charger for this battery at sofarehab.com.au on the product listing. Just underneath the add to cart button, we have options there to add the PD charger for the front or the AC/DC transformer charger for the two connections here. If you're charging the battery with the AC/DC transformer, recharging takes approximately 9 hours. If you're using the USB-C port at the front, if you're removing the battery from the recliner and connecting the USB-C port at the front here for recharging, you need to use a suitable charger. So you need to be using a USB-C port with a PD charger with a minimum output of 20 watts. If you're connecting it through here, the average recharge time is 15 hours. So during factory testing, the factory recommended that they can get 600 full cycles out of this battery. That means that open and close the recliner 600 times in factory conditions. Does that mean that you're going to get 600 cycles out of this battery? Possibly, but likely not. Each individual circumstances will be different. So your recliner at home may draw more power than what they did during the factory testing. So take the 600 cycles as a guide, you may get considerably less than that. That doesn't mean the battery is faulty. It just means that your personal circumstances in your home with your recliner are drawing more energy from this battery than they did at factory testing. So the size of this battery is 161 millimeters long, 74 millimeters wide, and 60 millimeters deep when connected to the charging stand. It is suitable for interior use only. We provide a 2-year manufacturing warranty. The battery is suited to high demand recliners. So recliners that have triple actuators, more than 5 buttons on the side, lift and tilt stand recliners, or if you're looking to link 2 separate recliners on the same modular configuration to this battery via a splitter cable, this is the battery to go for. We don't recommend linking 2 separate armchairs to this battery. They're only suitable for batteries, recliners on the same modular frame. If you have a basic recliner where it's only got 2 buttons and a USB-C port, you can still use this battery. It's just going to give you a longer extended time between recharging. So if your requirements are that you don't want to recharge a battery too often, this 6,000 milliamp hour battery from ZB Power will give you an extended recharge time intervals between charging. So getting into more into how you recharge this battery, most people will be using the industry standard 2-pin connections found at the end of the battery charging stand here. There's a male 2-pin plug here. This is for recharging to your AC/DC transformer. Most times this will not be connected at all until you recharge. This is how you connect your battery to your recliner via the female 2-pin plug with a retaining clasp. So you need to find the male plug coming off the recliner, push in the female plug, close the retaining clasp, place the battery on the floor. The battery is ready to go for providing power to your recliner. However, please note that your recliner may have a specific plug socket on the back of the recliner or a specific connection. Have a look at how this battery will connect to your recliner, and during the product listing you will find underneath the add to cart button options to add additional cables and connections to make this battery sit safely and securely on the floor or to suit your personal requirements. If you're looking to mount this battery under the recliner for a more seamless look where you can't see the battery or the cabling, this is possible using the charging stand. Remove the battery. The charging stand has 2 mounting holes here. Screws are not supplied. When considering mounting this under the recliner, you need to consider the following. Where to mount the battery, that you can hear the recharging alert or see the battery indicator. And about recharging, you need to be able to access the battery to remove it from the charging stand. The charging, once mounted underneath, is done via the USB-C port. You remove the battery from the charging stand, plug in the PD charger on the bench, and once fully charged, you reconnect it to the charging stand. Other considerations about mounting the battery under the recliner are that the battery requires ventilation. It needs to not get overheated. So bear in mind where you store that battery under the recliner, that you can hear the alerts for recharging, you can possibly see the display if required, or you can access the battery for recharging, and that there are ventilation in place so that the battery doesn't overheat. Other things to note on this battery are that there is a real handy feature here. There is a digital display on the front of the battery that illuminates for 8 seconds. It tells you the current charge status and voltage. So when it's fully charged, it will say 100% and 29.2 volts. That tells you that the battery is fully charged, and that's the energy and power you're going to get from this battery. As you use the battery, the numbers will drop accordingly. When recharging, there is an indicator under the 29.2 volts to indicate that you're charging the battery. So this is really good to note. At any point you want to know how much remaining energy or charge there is in the battery, press the button, it will tell you the current status. When this indicator gets to 10 to 15%, you are going to get an audible recharging beep, and the beep goes beep, beep, beep for approximately 20 to 30 seconds to let you know that you need to be recharging the battery. So this is great to have for people that place it behind the recliner or may not be able to see the recliner battery. The beep, beep, beep will alert them to recharging. So when you are installing the battery, make sure that it's in a position that you're going to hear that recharge and that you know when to recharge it. You can either press the button at the front here or listen out for the beeping noise. So that's basically the rechargeable lithium-ion battery from ZB Power, model number BS-8C-02. If you have any comments or feedback about this battery, our contact details are at the end of this video. If you've enjoyed this video and found it useful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. It really does help us grow our community and reach more like-minded people like you.